At D. Patrick Certified Collision Center, we're here when you need us the most. So stop by and talk to our experts and let them tell you how we've been helping people with hail damage on their vehicles. And remember, we can help with hail damage on any make or model.
Everybody's pretty adamant about getting everything done, making sure that everything's right, down to the fine details again. There was an AMG G63. It was white. I'd say there was well over 200-300 different dents in this thing. We thought it was going to be total. We ended up having to do the entire car. It was a pretty big job. Whenever it left the shop, it looked like that it never had hail damage whatsoever. It looked OEM, like they bought the car like that, brand new.
If your vehicle was damaged in a recent hailstorm, we're here to help. Come and see the team at the D. Patrick Certified Collision Center on Green River Road. Our certified team is ready to get your vehicle looking its best, no matter what the make or model.